we'll start. Why don't you lean on this, kind of like against this right here? Yeah. Yep. Just come up close, like waist high. 1, 2, 3. All right, go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go over here. We'll work over here. I don't even know if this looks good. It looks good. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna stay right there. I'm just gonna come this way here. That's nice. That, yeah. Actually, can you? Is it too weird? Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. And just stay there. I'm gonna come around here. Again, I'm not even looking through the viewfinder. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. You can go like, yep, like that. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3. I'm just gonna come over here. Yep. 1, 2, 3. This is the 35 1.8 GDX on the D200 here. You can see. I'm gonna shoot like at f2. I'm gonna do f2.2 because usually with this lens it gets a little sharper. But with the light, I'm only at ISO 250. Bring it up to about 500 just to see. I'll come around here. One, 2, 3. And then I'll just have you go walk over here. Because it's gonna be a full body shot. 1, 2, 3. And 800 at shutter speed. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching, everyone. The D200 files are still really fun to work with, as you can see with my edited images. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions about the D200, comment below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.